set and ready for trekking. I'll change it into my shoes and then I'm done and ready. Set and ready. The trek has officially begun. Finally, like from WhatsApp planning and stuff, we have like the plan has been executed, and it started with 10 people and now it's just 5 people. But yeah, it's okay. It's worth it. Yeah, it's worth it. We have Chino, Benji. This is CAU, guys. One of the good medical universities in Tashkent. So they are constructing the Olympic Stadium. It's -1 degree. We have stopped at this place, gas station. We all are here. Wow. Sleeping Beauty. Just look at the view, guys. Just look at the view, it's awesome. So we have come to this place and like the driver is showing the documents. From here, if you go straight, then we'll go to Amarsoy. It's 26 kilometers from here. But today we are taking this route. You guys can see awesome view and it's not cold at all. So what happened was our Yandex driver, like he had some problem with the documents, like he can't drive after certain, border or something. So we changed our taxi. Now we are in this minivan. Yeah, but this is more comfortable and spacious. And
for Indian audience, this is actually an Omni vehicle.
Yeah.
Kidnapping vehicle.
Yeah. Kidnapping vehicle. Yeah, so the police was really good. He like arranged this thing for us, and we are heading towards Tawaksoy, and that is like the starting point for our trek. And we have all our bags here. We are sitting more comfortably. Yeah, so I'll update you guys. And there's no network when we start the trek, so yeah, that won't be a problem because we all have offline maps and we have power banks also like charged and everything. We packed some lunch as well, and yeah, I'll show you guys. I'll take you guys along with me. So yeah, we have entered Tawaksoy and now we are about to stop. We are here now, guys. We will start the trek from here. The weather is good. It's not cold at all. Like I'm wearing this. I can even remove the jacket. It's pretty good. And yeah, so now we'll start the trek. I'm a little hungry, but yeah, it'll work out. I have eggs and sandwiches packed. We also have potato fries and some sauce and some snacks as well. So that's gonna be great. This is Hawas. This is like the grocery store out here. It's really big. Yeah, so now we're going. Hello!
Assalamu alaikum.
We are so excited to see foreigners, So we have already begun with the trek. Isha is here with me and we have 3 boys in the front. Srinivas, Benji and Pratik. And you can see Srinivas already is holding the trekking stick. This is the view we have so far. And the place we are going to, it's called Katta Tawaksoy waterfall. So there are lots of small streams and waterfalls in between as well. Yeah, so I'll show you guys as we move along. Beautiful view. It's just begun, like we've not even reached the main starting point, I guess. I'll keep updating you guys. Ciao. So now, as you guys can see, the pitch metal road is ending here, and then from here, as I step on this side, the trail starts. So Benji's figuring out, now we will be starting with the offline map So Benji's figuring out the trail. Like there are different trails, so we can choose like which side we want to follow, and like on the way we'll see waterfalls and stuff. Just look at the beautiful creation of God. It's so beautiful. It's Isha and Pratik. Can you guys see the sheep grazing up there?
Take from down. Oh my god, nice.
Hello!
Sandwich. Rice made by Yasha, wonderful.
Thank you. Boiled egg.
Thanks for bringing
Sandwiches.
sandwich and egg with salt.
My pleasure.
खाते हैं bro, खा ले. नहीं इसको मत दे. अच्छा नहीं देने.
अंडा?
मैंने कहीं पे देखा है.
खा नहीं रहा. चलो. Hi everyone. You guys can see my cheeks and my nose. It's red now because it's starting to get pretty chilly. But we are going strong, and I have all geared up with my beanie and jacket everyone has. And now we are heading to the waterfall area, and then I think it's almost 1:30ish, so we'll be returning around 3:34, and we'll reach Tashkent around 6 maybe, so that would be good. You guys can see everybody's packed. Nice, view? Right? You guys can see the view. Across this valley, we crossed one mountain. This is the other one. As you can see, my hand is freezing, but I still want to show you guys the view. That's why I'm vlogging. Otherwise, my hands, you guys can see, it's all red. You guys can see that horse. Like there are so many horses in this area. There. Hello! They were waiting for us, our buddies. One is out there, one is here. You can see the stream. It's connected to the waterfall, obviously, so we are following the path. I have an offline map, like I said. This is the past in Uzbek, it's short. So if I translate it, it'll be like short waterfall. Hi buddy. Hi Coco.
Hi,
Hi buddy. Who's Bruno now, Isha?
yeah, we put no Coco and Bunny.
Bunny. Not leave us. You can see our Bunny and Coco.
These dogs, na?
Yeah. Go.
नीचे दिखाओ तो, थोड़ा नीचे करो तो.
very close to our destination, the Tavoksoi waterfall. We had thorn bushes. We had a great time. The lunch was excellent. Look at the crystals. It's already started to freeze. It's just starting to snow, guys. We witnessed our first snowfall here near Tavoksoi waterfall. They are still here with us. So we just crossed two waterfalls, small ones. One was called the Past waterfall, which is in Uzbek called the Short waterfall, and then we had one was named as Jacuzzi, which was the flat surface. It's almost 2:30 and we are still going strong. Habuz waterfall. Bye Habuz waterfall. So now we are going back. So we need to walk all the way back. We follow the same trail and then we reach the Chirchik town, and from there we again book a Yandex. Change of plans. We didn't follow the same trail. I mean, we are going back in the same direction, but we changed the trail. We are going up the hill, like from cutting through the hills. That time we went through the valleys, and now we're cutting through the hills. We stopped for a little bit to, just drink some hot water and then some sweets and snacks. And now again we've started. We are almost there. We'll be reaching Tashkent by 6. That's the target. It was a great, hiking, trekking. It was a great experience. Nihari type. Isha the cook. We have already started making plans, for a second trip, and that time we'll be not stopping on different places, but we'll be straight hiking to the Tavoksoi waterfall. Hi, Coco. Where is Bunny? Where is Bunny?
पार्टनर किधर है?
बनी
तुम्हारा पार्टनर कहाँ पे है?
बच्चा, मैंने तुझे बहुत मिस करा. पता है तुमको, मैं गिर भी गई थी. हाँ, मैं गिर भी गई थी.
Okay, everything is captured now.
चलो.
Hi, Coco. Where were you? We were looking for them. They just vanished, all of a sudden.
ऐसे वैनिश नहीं करते बेटा.
Where is your partner? Where is the partner? Next time when we come, you have to come, okay, Coco?
हाँ.
You and Bunny.
You have to come.
Guys, I told you it's snowing, right? You can see out here in his hoodie. Can you see the white? Yeah. You guys can see we are almost there to the starting point, and this is how our trek ends, and I give it a 10 out of 10 experience. What about you, Isha?
10 out of 10.
Benji?
11 out of 10.
Shinu?
10 out of 10.
Good. Pratik?
It's a nice, adventurous 20 out of 10.
Ooh, 100 out of 10, guys. Successful trip. This is the Jacuzzi fall. So this is the place where Coco and Bunny came with us. They joined us for this trek. By Coco, they already went inside. I mean, just Coco is there. Bunny, I don't know, somewhere.
Have a blissful life, guys.
Yeah. Next hike, we'll again meet. Bye, Coco. Where's Coco?
Bye bye.
Coco. Bye, Coco.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much, बेटा.
Bye, Coco. Bye. We reached the starting point, guys.
किधर आ रहे हो? टैक्सी में
This
आ
is
रहे
the place where we started from, and now we are leaving, and Coco can't leave us alone, so he's still following us.
Still following us.
Yeah. Chalo, guys, we will see you soon once we get the cab, hopefully, and reach Tashkent. Signing off for today. Bye.
भाई सब कुछ अंधेरा करना
We are waiting for our cab.
Don't go far away, please.
We are booking cab, Yandex taxi, and now we are waiting for it.
आई थिंक पीछे से आ रहा है क्या ये?
आ जाइए
नहीं पीछे से नहीं आगे से है.
Reached Tashkent. After a wonderful trek, we are filling our stomach. Isha and Pratik, they already left because Isha will not get a bus to her apartment and Pratik has some emergency, so they got took away and they left. And Srinivas, Benji and I, we are here